Understanding ship stability is crucial for anyone involved in maritime operations, especially when it comes to the concept of GM, or metacentric height. GM is essentially the distance between the center of gravity of the ship and its metacenter. This measurement plays a vital role in determining how stable a vessel is in the water. A higher GM means a ship is more stable, while a lower GM can lead to a greater risk of capsizing. For cargo ships, GM is particularly important. These vessels often carry heavy loads, and their stability directly impacts their ability to navigate safely. If the center of gravity is too high, the ship may become top-heavy, increasing the risk of rolling in rough seas. Conversely, a well-designed ship with an optimal GM can handle adverse conditions much more effectively, ensuring that cargo arrives safely at its destination. When we compare ships with large GM to those with small GM, the differences become clear. A ship with a large GM will return to an upright position more quickly after being tilted by waves or wind. This quick recovery is essential for maintaining safety and comfort for the crew and passengers. On the other hand, a ship with a small GM may struggle to right itself, leading to a more uncomfortable ride and increased risk of accidents. The benefits of GM extend beyond just stability. In ship design, engineers aim for an optimal GM to enhance performance and efficiency. A well-balanced ship can navigate through challenging waters with ease, reducing fuel consumption and improving overall operational costs. This is especially important in today's competitive shipping industry, where efficiency can make or break a company. Let's consider a real-life example: the Costa Concordia disaster in 2012. The ship had a low GM, which contributed to its inability to recover from the tilt caused by the grounding. This tragic incident underscores the importance of understanding and optimizing GM in ship design. It's a stark reminder that stability isn't just a technical specification, it's a matter of safety and lives. In conclusion, GM is a fundamental aspect of ship stability that every seafarer should understand. It influences everything from design to safety and operational efficiency. By prioritizing GM in ship design and operations, we can ensure safer voyages and protect both cargo and crew. If you found this information valuable, consider sharing it with others in the maritime community. Understanding GM could be the key to safer seas for everyone involved.